Steps to install your own solar system. If you live in a sunny area, you may be able to install solar panels to generate electricity. Here are the steps to learn how to install your own solar system. Check that your area gets 4 hours of peak sunlight throughout the day. Peak sunlight hours occur when the sun is the highest in the sky, and locations closer to the equator get more peak sun hours than those further away. Look online to see how many peak sunlight hours your area has. Once you determine the peak hours in your area, check your property for places that aren't covered by shade during the day, since solar panels can't generate electricity if they aren't exposed to sunlight. Choose a type of solar panel that works best for you. The 3 main types of solar panels are monocrystalline, polycrystalline, and thin film. Monocrystalline panels are the most recognizable types and have about 20% efficiency. They take up the least amount of space, but they are the most expensive. Polycrystalline panels are more affordable, but they only have about 16% efficiency and don't work well on higher temperatures since they have a low heat tolerance. Thin film panels are flexible and the cheapest option, but they are the least efficient at 7 to 13% and they take up the most space. Install the mounting system on your roof or on the ground. If you plan on installing the solar panels on your roof, attach the mounts that come with your panels to the trusses, which are the long wooden pieces under your shingles that run toward the roof's peak. Space the mounts far enough apart so they line up with the holes along the side of the panels. If you are installing a ground-mounted system, mount the provided post with cement before attaching the racks. Secure the panels to the mounting system. Have 1 to 2 helpers assist you with holding the panels against the mounting racks so they're level. Screw the mounting nuts into the sides of the panels and tighten them with a wrench so they are secured in place. Keep installing the rest of your panels until you're finished. Attach inverters to the panels to convert the electricity. Solar panels generate DC power, but inverters convert it to AC power so you can use it in your home. Make sure you get inverters that match the output rating the solar panels you purchased. Plug individual inverters into each of your solar panels to get the most efficiency, otherwise, your panels won't work if even one of them is in the shade. Once the inverters are in place, secure them to the undersides of the panels so they stay safe. Connect the solar panels to your electrical system. Hire an electrician to run the wires from the solar panels into your home to your switchboard to connect the power. Once the solar panels are installed on your system, your home will use any electricity generated by them during the day. When your solar panels aren't exposed to sunlight, your home will pull electricity from your existing power grid.
Please click on the link below the video to watch the full content. If you are interested,